Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hello friends, I am Madhura. Welcome to MadhurasRecipe.com. Today I am making beans salad. You get the best of everything in this dish. You get lot of protein in this salad. You get bunch of veggies plus you get flavor, which is my favorite. So what I like about this dish is it is healthy and it stays for a while, so that you can make a big batch and you can have it at any time. And I guess it's perfect to have at any time. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, dinner. So today here I am using 3 beans. You can choose any beans that you like. Just make sure that they are little bigger on the sides. And if you want to get one more step further, you can actually sprout these beans and it is even more healthier. So here's what you need for this healthy and super yummy salad. Here I have a cup of cooked garbanzo beans or chickpeas, then black beans and red kidney beans or Rajma. So what I have done, basically I have soaked these beans separately and I have pressure cooked them until 4 to 5 whistles. You can either soak them together and then cook them together in the pressure cooker itself, or you can use canned beans also. In veggies I have finely chopped onion, carrot, cucumber, green pepper, tomatoes and coriander leaves. Then about 1 or 2 finely chopped green chillies, half teaspoon of Chat Masala, half teaspoon of red chili powder and a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder and a teaspoon of lemon juice. Now let's just put everything together into a bowl. First thing first, Rajma or red kidney beans, chickpeas, black beans, then veggies. You need to make sure that your veggies are approximately the same size cut. Now here I have de-seeded cucumber and tomatoes, and the reason I de-seeded them, I want to keep this salad for a little longer time, and this if we keep seeds in this, it tend to make this salad a little bit of on a runnier side or watery, and I just want to avoid that. In this add in finely chopped green chilli, Chat Masala, red chili powder. This green chili adds little kick in this salad, so if you don't like it on a spicy side, you can just avoid using green chili. Roasted cumin powder and lemon juice, and that's it. Now give this a mix. A lot of people complain about the salads that they don't fill them up, and I guess you can enjoy this salad as it will keep you full for a longer time. I also get so many requests for healthy recipes, salads or lunches that you don't need to heat up. Then I guess this is the right one, as it takes care of all the needs. Now this salad tastes best when it's chilled, so you need to refrigerate this for at least about an hour before serving. There you have it. Our healthy beans salad is all ready. I must have a bite. You get nice crunch from fresh veggies. Beans are well cooked, and plus you get lot of flavor from the spices. Lovely. If you like this recipe, hit the like button. Also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.